As the World Children's Day is being observed all over the world today, the Hurriyat leaders and organizations in their statement issued in Srinagar in connection with the day drew the attention of the international community and human rights organizations to the plight of tens of thousands of children in the occupied territory by saying that the children in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir continue to remain the biggest victims of Indian brutalities. Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one more Kashmiri youth today in Islamabad district of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The troops martyred the youth in a fake encounter during a military operation in Bichbahara area of the district. Meanwhile, in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian police arrested 3 innocent Kashmiri youth in Srinagar today. The youth, identified as Muhammad Iqbal Dobi, Rauf Dar and Javed Ahmed, all residents of Patan Baramulla, were apprehended by joint parties of police and army. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Sampat Prakash, a Kashmiri Pandit and a trade union leader, has said that illegally detained Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik is a great leader and he lives in the hearts of Kashmiri people. He said Yasin Malik is his friend who spent a major portion of his life in jails for the Kashmir cause and he is proud of him. A report released by Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of the World Children's Day today said the children are the worst victims of India's illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir. It revealed that 915 children are among the 96,154 people martyred by the troops since January 1, 1989 to the date. The report said that the killing of civilians by the troops rendered 107,887 children orphaned in the territory during the period. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, 2 minor boys died while 3 residential houses were gutted in a massive blaze at Devar village in Kupwara district.